Hi, I'm Monica Booth. I'm the Writing Center Specialist at Bowie State University, and I'm here to tell you about the Writing Center at Smith-Fadal Literacy and Language Center here at Bowie State. So what does the Writing Center do? Well, the Writing Center helps Bowie State University students become more effective and confident writers. Our goal is to engage the university community in one-on-one conversations about writing. We seek to empower students to improve their own work. How do we help? Well, the main thing that we offer is real-time, live, one-on-one online writing consultations in which a writer gets to meet with a writing consultant to discuss their work. We also offer virtual workshops on writing-related topics, so you can check out our website to find about some of our upcoming events. We also offer a number of resources on our website. We've got digital handouts, videos, and links to other resources, so please check it out. Now, why should you come to the Writing Center to work with a consultant? Well, when you meet with a consultant, you can work with them to understand your writing assignment, to talk about your prompt, and make sure that you are addressing everything that it's asking for. You can meet with them to brainstorm content ideas or to outline and do pre-writing for your essay. If you have a complete draft, you can bring it in and get some feedback to help you revise that draft. If you want, you can talk with them about documenting your research in MLA or APA styles or other citation styles. You can bring in any kind of writing and any kind of discipline to work on. So what kinds of writing can you bring? Well, we're happy to help with any kind of writing, but that includes essays, lab reports, business memos, cover letters and resumes, emails, poetry, anything. What should I expect out of a writing consultation? Well, our tutoring sessions are live, real-time online sessions. They can include audio and video, and they can last up to 50 minutes. But they start on time, so don't be late. If you're 15 minutes or more late, then the appointment might be forfeit, and it will be marked against you as a no-show, so be sure to be on time. The sessions are most effective when you first upload the prompt or assignment, your draft, and any notes or other important materials that you may have. Remember that your writing consultant isn't in class with you, so any information you can give them to help them understand the writing context will be really helpful. And of course, our sessions are only as good as you make them, so please come ready to work. So, whom will I work with? Well, these are just some of the writing consultants that we have at the Writing Center on staff this semester. If you would like to find out more about our writing consultants, you can go to our website at bowiestate.edu/writing center and click on Writing Consultants. There you'll be able to find a profile about each consultant, and you can carefully choose a particular consultant that you think would be a good fit for you. So how do I make an online appointment? You can make an appointment by going to bowiestate.mywconline.com. Now I'm going to introduce you to Anaya, one of our writing consultants, and she's going to show you how to make an appointment.
Hi, my name is Anaya and I work at Bowie State University Writing Center. And today I'm going to show you all how to make an appointment with us. So first things first, you go to the search bar and you type in bowiestate.mywconline.com. And if you haven't not registered for an account with us before, you'd first register for an account. And here you can put any email address that works best for you. I just use my Bowie State email because it works best for me, but you do not have to use your Bowie email. And here you just fill out any box that has a red asterisk. So we do not need your telephone number, but down at the bottom you can definitely put it to get text message and email notifications about your appointments. But here we just need some basic information for you just to help better know who we're talking to and who we're serving. Down here at the bottom, make sure that you check this little box. That's just saying that you're going to bring information to work with. Down here at the bottom, make sure that your password that you choose is a password that you remember, because that's the password that you're going to use to log in to make your appointments. And down here at the bottom is just what I talked about earlier about your email preferences and your text message preferences. You do not have to put your phone number down to receive text messages, but it is helpful. You will be emailed and notified when you have an appointment made or modified or canceled. So those are all things just to help you out. And you can choose whether or not you want those settings. And then down here at the bottom, you just make sure you're not a robot and complete your registration. And after you complete your registration, you go back to the main page. And this is where you use that same email and password that you used to register to log in. So here you jump in and log in. And when you log in, your screen should look something like this. So here are all of our wonderful Writing Center consultants. And here, right here are the red boxes. So the red boxes are appointments that have already been made. So you cannot make an appointment in those time frames, but we do have a lot more availability open. When you make an appointment, you have to reserve 2 white boxes side by side. A single white box like this one is only a 30-minute time slot. And in order to make an appointment, you have to have an hour time block to make sure that you would get everything done to help you succeed. And I can show you how to make one of those appointments. So here I have a white box available for Miss Monica. So here you just click on the white box that's available for you. You have your time hour block from 4 to 5, well mine. Yes, the appointment will be online. Right now we're only doing online appointments. In here you just put your course level, your instructor. This just lets your tutor know a little bit more about what you're working on and who you are. Down here you put what you're going to talk to your tutor about. So whether it be what stage of the writing process you're in or what you have to work on, whether it be an essay or a bibliography or even a research paper. Down here at the bottom, you can type a memo in about something that you would like to work on or something specific that your teacher may have told you or something specific that you know that you have to work on for your paper or even if it's a note that you feel like you need to make for yourself. And down here you have a file that you can upload. So here you can upload any file of your paper so that your tutor can see it before your appointment. So if your tutor has any time before your appointment, they can look over your paper and maybe have some pointers to give you before your session even starts. And down here you can create your appointment. After you create your appointment, if you see down here in the corner, your box will turn yellow, and that's how you know that your appointment is reserved for you. And when you go scroll over it, your name should be right there with it. To access your appointment, you go to your day and your time, of course, and during your day and your time, you click join or start or join your online consultation. And here you click on it. And we wait for it to open up, and then you see me. So here I'm waiting for you all to make an appointment. So this is where your appointments will take place. You have a chat box, you have a whiteboard. We can also video chat. We should be able to communicate through microphone as well. So I'm just waiting here, guys, for you to make some appointments. So come by and see us, and we're looking forward to having a great time with you all. So have a great one.
Thanks, Anaya. Now, if you want to know more, please visit our website at bowiestate.edu/writing center or reach out to us by voicemail at 301-860-3720, or the fastest way to reach us is probably by email at writingcenter@bowiestate.edu. You can also follow us on social media, on Instagram and on Twitter. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope to see you online at the Writing Center soon. Bye.